Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another quick, helpful video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can block phone calls and text messages from coming in on your LG Stylo 6. Now, the first thing what you want to do here is open up the phone dialer. Now, once you open up the phone dialer, you're going to look for these three dots on the upper right-hand corner of the display. Go ahead and click on those three dots. And then what you want to do next is click on Call Settings. Once you do that, you're going to see the option for call blocking and decline with message. Now, what you want to do here in order to block numbers as well as text messages from coming in, you want to click on the second option here, block numbers. And then you're going to notice that you have this plus icon up on top. Go ahead and click on that. Now, right here, you can add block numbers from your contacts. So if you have a number in your contacts that you want to go ahead and block, go ahead and click that option. You can choose from call logs, or you can go ahead and choose from a new number. I'm just going to go ahead and choose new number right here. And then right here is where you're going to be able to input the number that you want to have blocked. So let me go ahead and just put in whatever random number here. So once you go ahead and input the number, go ahead and choose block. At this point, the number has been blocked from you receiving calls and messages from this phone number. Then you also have another option here, which is called digit filter. This is actually really cool because you can block calls based on the starting or ending digits in their numbers. So let's go ahead and click on digit filter, and the same thing as you want to block a number, you're going to go ahead and click the plus icon there. And right here, you can input the starting or ending number of the phone number you want to have blocked. So maybe there's multiple telemarketers calling from a number starting with 965. So you're going to basically set this to block any numbers starting with 965. Now, say for instance 965 is the ending number, you can go ahead and click on match condition and you can click ends with. So any phone number that's calling you ending with 965 will now be blocked. That's another cool feature you have baked into the LG Stylo 6. And then you also have a final option here, which is private numbers. You can go ahead and enable this feature, and this is basically going to reject all calls from private numbers. So that's basically it. That's how you can block specific numbers from calling you and text messaging you on your LG Stylo 6. If you found this video helpful, informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button. And please subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos just like this. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.